Okay, hi everyone. Last video you saw me do an unboxing of the Vitus Escarpe. This is a video which I was always going to make. Now the only problem is, last time I was really excited, this time I'm not so excited. I'll tell you why in a bit, but this is the bike check of the Vitus Escarpe. Right, first off, excuse the location. It's a rather crowded garage for today's video. It is raining outside and I can't get this bike wet. But let's crack on. So the Vitus Escarpe, what a lovely looking bike this is. That blue colour, although it doesn't pick it up from this video, certain lights, it almost looks like a Cadbury's purple. Lovely blue on the top. Comes down to a darker blue here, which I don't know if you can see. It does have a metal flake in that paintwork. And again, it's a paint job that is absolutely divine. Starting with the frame on this one, it is 6061 T6 alloy construction with, you've guessed it, the trend words right now, longer, lower and slacker geometry. The forks that come with this bike are the RockShox Sector RL Boost 27.5s, come with 150mm of travel. The rear shock is a RockShox Deluxe R 185/50, so Boost metric trunnion mount shock. One thing I did like about this bike was actually the drivetrain. It comes with a SRAM NX 1x11 drivetrain group set. So we've got the SRAM NX shifters up here, drivetrain crankset, SRAM again NX. Got an 11-speed mech on the rear, but the cassette is a Sunrace 11-speed 1146 tooth. Don't see that as a major problem. It all shifts perfectly with the supplied kit. The rims supplied with this bike are the WTB STI 29, and the rims are laced to Novatec hubs. So Novatec on the front and a Novatec on the rear. Now, for those of you that like hub porn as such, here is a quick, I'm not going to pedal round and round and round, but here's a quick sound clip of that rear hub. For the rubber, we have got Maxxis Minion DHF on the front, 2.6 wide, and it is tubeless ready. I should probably also say that the rims are tubeless ready also. They're supplied with rim tape fitted, and you also get tubeless valves. On the rear we have got the Maxxis Recon, again in 2.6, again tubeless ready. This Vitus is absolutely plastered with nuke proof finishing kit. So we've got a nuke proof neutron. The bars are also nuke proof neutrons, and the headset is also a nuke proof. The brakes probably will be the only item that I would upgrade. The brakes are Shimano MT400s, come with 180 front rotor and a 160 rear rotor. It actually comes with a dropper seat post, comes with the Brand X Ascend dropper post, with quite a nice little lever down here too, which is an under the bar. Now for the sadness. Okay, So when I purchased this bike online, it was showing as the last medium available. However, when I got it through, it's a small. And now they're out of stock of mediums. So it looks like that this bike is going to get boxed back up and sent off. Sad times. Still, hope you enjoyed the content. If you did like this video, drop a like, and I shall see you in the next video.